Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are unboxing a legendary Casio watch. Okay, so right in front of us we have the box, and guys, this is one of the most legendary watch in Casio lineup. You will see why. Okay. So here is the box. I bought it from Flipkart. The watch price is 2500 only, but still it's a legendary watch, and it is one of the masterpiece of Casio till date. You'll know why. I'll show you. So here is the box. The price is 25.95. I got it a little cheaper than that, 2500 25 I think the price was. Anyways, I'll just skip the box. So here is the box. I'll remove the cover, and as you all know, like if you purchase any watch from Flipkart, the delivery guy only do the unboxing. Okay, so it's like it is already unboxed. I cannot do anything because while delivery they only unbox it. Anyways, so here is the watch. I'll keep it a little aside. Here are some of the documentation. Here is my invoice. Nothing inside. Here are some of the instruction guide. Okay, and here I think is the warranty card. Okay, so we'll put it inside, remove the plastic, and I'll show you the watch. So here is the watch, guys. It's the legendary Casio Royale AE 1200. Okay, this is the world time watch. I'll be showing you every detail of it. Let me just put this plastic cover aside. Alright, so here is the watch, guys. It's the beautiful Casio Royale, or the Casio AE 1200 1BVD. So this watch has got 3 color variants. One is this one, which is black and gold with green, a golden color of screen. As you can see, this is little golden color screen with golden green color of world map. Okay, another color which is there, that is this screen will look a little silverish whitish, and this world map looks like black, those black in color, and that too also comes with this type of plastic resin case. Okay, and there is another one which looks like a stainless steel, but it's actually not stainless steel, it's actually resin, but it painted as stainless steel. That one cost around 3200 Indian rupees. Okay, so here is the watch. It looks beautiful, as you can see, and this is the strap that comes with this has got a 18 millimeter lug width. Okay, 18 millimeter. However, let me show you something. Okay, this is the, it says Casio here. Let me just open this. This is a 18 millimeter lug width. However, if you can check, this part only 18 millimeter. However, after that it increases, the size increases. So if you put a 18 millimeter normal strap, it won't look good, because normal 18 millimeter strap will be like this. So this extra part of the frame will look really odd. Okay, so it's very difficult to find a perfect strap for this this type of Casio watches. Okay. Anyways, let's get on with the specification. So this watch comes with, as you can see, 10 year of battery life. It has a illumination. I'll be showing you. So this is the light. This has got a beautiful orange yellow kind of a light. Okay, and over here, this part, this radar, this Air Force radar type of thing, this is just an analog watch. This looks like analog watch, but this is also digital. So this is actually the exact time. Is if you can check, 3:19:40 seconds. So it's 3. The smaller hand is 3:19:40:46 seconds. See, this is the exact. This is the digital part, and this is the analog one which is showing. And if any kind of alarm is set, your this is type of a notification, or the alarm icon will highlight over here. If the alarm is not set, then it will go away. And this, the most beautiful part of this watch is this world time map. So as I'm from India, I have set the time over here in India. Okay, we can change it. So for example, this is the New York time now, 4:50 a.m. Once I press it, it will change. Just check the map. This is the London time is 9:50 a.m. This is Paris. This is the time zone. Okay, and I'm now back to Delhi, which is India. Currently the time is set properly. Today is 4th of September, Wednesday. Current time is on my pilot, it's 3:20 exact time, 3:20 3:21. And talking about the functions, let me show you. This is the time window. If I press the mode button once, this is the London time, which is I have set it to London. Okay. Next is, this is the world time, from where you can change the world time. So in order to change it, you need to press and hold down this part, and it should change it. So you can turn on the daylight saving. If you press it once, it should go away. Okay, if you press and hold it more time, I think we can, no, I think we need to press this. Okay, yeah, it's showing Madrid now. So you need to change, you can change this. Okay, it's Rome, Berlin, I don't know what's this, Athens, Greece, so Jerusalem, Moscow. So it has got lots and lots of world time. So if you have this this watch, you don't need any watch for world tour. So you can take this world for a world tour and you should be good to go. You don't need a GMT watch or whatnot. This baby can do it everything. Okay, this is Delhi, Kathmandu, Dhaka. So we can change, as you can see, everything is getting changed in the world map. Okay, Tokyo, Adelaide, Sydney. Okay, now again it's back in here. Mexico, New York. So I'll just put it back to London, Rio de Janeiro, UTC, Lisbon, London. Okay, next is, this is the alarm. Okay, there are 5 different alarms. So we can turn on and off the alarm by pressing this once. This is alarm off. Once I press is off, you can see this notification of the alarm is gone now. Now it's on. If we press this once, what is this? You know what is this? This is the alarm type 1, 2. This we can set 5 different time of alarms on this. So this is the 4. This is the 5 different type of alarms on this. Okay. So as I've set for 7 p.m., it's showing here. So we can set 5 different type of alarms. One for 7 p.m., another one from say 12 a.m. So 5 different type of alarms can be set on this watch. It's really very useful. Next is, this is the timer. Okay, so we can set the timer. So we can change it, like for example, yeah, so for example 1 minute timer. Yeah, now we can start. So we can do a timer like this. Okay, you can reset the timer. Next is the stopwatch. Okay, with milliseconds also showing. You can reset it. Next is back to the date. It says Wednesday, Delhi. And if you can hear the sound, guys, the sound is a little different. I'll bring the camera a little closer. I'll bring the watch a little closer to my microphone. You can hear the sound like normally when we are going past this menu, but the final, once it goes back to the time menu, the sound is a little high pitched. Let me bring the watch a little closer to the mic. Okay, that high pitched one is back to time mode. And this is a quartz watch, guys. Very beautiful looking watch. Very beautiful looking watch. As you can see, here is the time. Here is the model name. It says AE 1200WH. Okay. Let me put this on my wrist and we'll show it to you. So here how it looks on my wrist. The watch is really beautiful. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any queries regarding this watch, then you can hit me down on the comment section below, and I'll be posting the link, the Flipkart link from where I have bought it. Okay, if you wish you can purchase it, and I'll also post the other color as well. There is another color of this model. You can have a look at that as well. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do take care of yourself. This is Anindo signing out. Take care. Bye bye.